Hello guys, this is Little Foxes 2. You can call me Lan. I'm a Tyrian boy, and yes, we're gonna unbox our gear. We got our gear, so that's so nice. And yes, I'm really excited. Are you guys excited? Tell me in the comments of tell me in the comments if you guys are excited. And I can finally make some Tyrian videos. Spoiler alert, I will make some like, I will make some, what is it called? Like public gearing Tyrian videos with my friend Kate. So let's start to open this. First of all, let's remove the tape. It's like a electrical tape from Shield. Okay, let's go open this. Oh, first box. Oh my god, guys, this is so nice. Oh my god, guys, we got our mask. This is the mask. Like, I'm a fox, so this is the mask. And I didn't notice we got tails. Oh yeah, I forgot about tails. Guys, this is not the only tail. Let's say bye bye to these two. And I got this tail too. Like, it's a gray tail, and yes, I love it so much. I don't know, guys, if you can see this, but like, it's like that. Oh, it's covered with tissues. It's like this. It's like covered with tissues. Oh, wait, guys, I'm so excited. Oh my god, guys, this is the mask. It's like the real fox mask. I love it. Oh wait, it's like the things like out of colors. But it's okay. I just got it. Wait, it had mesh. It had like mesh, guys. It's like it had mesh. It got earrings. That's nice. Oh my god. There's some fur. There's like no lining inside though. It's like the only thing. Just like it. But that's okay. And you can see in here. There's color. And yes. Wait. The string, I mean like the whatever like this called, it's like black, so in my hair. Oh, that's nice. And this one is like just like that, and like this is super nice, guys. It's like those. You guys can see it properly. Okay, there's some still mask more, but there's only one mask. Remove all the tissues. Sadly, there are no freebies, so yes. By the way, this other mask is for my friend Kate. And yes, like this one. Yes, it's a calico cat, and it's kind of good though. I love it. I love that too. Mask is yours. So my back is right here. I love this mask. There you go. There you go, guys. But the like this one, the other one, the calico cat one, there's like no eye mesh. Look at my hand. It's in my hand right now. There's like no eye mesh. But that's okay. This one had eye mesh. Ooh, that's nice. And this one. And there's no fur. There's no fur in like this one. Wait, you know what? Wait, I feel like I'm not smart though. So I'm just gonna say bye bye to this. And this is where I'm sitting right now. I'm gonna put it there. You can guys see it's like right like this. And yes, that's nice. By the way, this is my first ever Tyrian video. It's an unboxing one. Ooh, the string is just like too. Wait, the string is like too elastic, guys. That's nice. Okay, next is like this one. Let's try to wear all this with my mask. Bro, oh, I guess I broke it. I broke it. Oh no. It's okay. I'll just glue it. It's okay. Oh no, guys, I just broke it. I think. Yeah, I broke it. I'll just glue it. Oh no. No, what's gonna happen? I don't know why I'm laughing. This too serious. But that's okay. Let's just try to wear this one. Where am I gonna put it? Put it here. So you guys can still see the ears at the forehead. Then the calico cat mask. This is actually not from me. Yes, this is not. Let me It's called. This is for my friend Kate. So let's wear it. This is it. Alright guys. Right there where you guys can see me. It's for this. So I think I'll just make a video wearing this mask soon. So I guess I'll see you like in many days. Okay, so bye bye guys. Hope you had a great time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment your suggestion. What should I do next in my next videos? Bye. See ya.